Okay, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did capitalize on a buy position from here from last night, which was 7th of March, right, all the way to this morning, which is 8th of March. My take profit was somewhere around here. So we're just going to analyze the market together so I can show you guys my thought process behind or before taking the trade. But before then, my name is Collins King, and if you're just joining me for the first time, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. Do also subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also give this video a thumbs up at the end if you did gain any sort of value. Now, without wasting much time, let's actually get started with this. So yesterday, right, or the previous trade that I did, or the previous video that I did, so you guys should watch that video so you can understand everything. So the previous video that I did mark out this zone as all for buyers territory, right? All of this is still in a buy territory. So irrespective of this sells, we're still in buyers territory. And we can see that was exactly what happened. Price came all the way to this support right here, right? If I just squeeze this down a bit, you would see that it goes all the way, right? You can see that this is actually a support, right? You can see it holding, right? This is actually a support zone, but you know, we're not going to be trading that way. So you can see price came all the way to this zone right here and it just rejected super aggressive to downside. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, right? I took one loss from here, I took an L from here, and I also took an L from here, right? But I didn't, or I'm not making those videos because I don't have time. I only have like, a few amount of hours in the day to actually do what's important. But I'm going to be sharing with you guys when I do take a loss, and I'm going to be making the videos when I do take a win. So the last video I did, I showed you guys how I was able to capitalize on this sell position from here all the way to somewhere around here. I exited my trade. We have this pullback. I took a loss from here. I took a loss from here as well. We can see the super aggressive move to the upside. So now let's analyze the market properly so you guys can understand what's happening. So you can see this is like higher high, higher low, high low, high low, higher high, right? And it came right back in, right? And you can see this like high, low, high, boom. There's a break of structure. So there's a break of structure to the downside, but still in buyer's territory on H1 time frame. So we can see this pullback. Price came to this zone and it dropped super aggressive to the downside, and buyers picked up from down here again all the way to the upside. Now, so for buyers to pick up from down here, and we considering this as a resistance, right? And buyers picked up from down here all the way to this max threshold, and this was equally resistant, but you can see it broke super aggressive to the upside and it came right back in, right? So to me, I was basically looking at this as, okay, now H1 time frame is now aligned to the upside again, it's pushing to the upside. Hence I have this guy right here as my guy who started it, okay? And right here is the max threshold, okay? And this is more like a support zone that I was looking at to take a trade. Now we can see this candle came down super aggressive at 7, right? Closed as 8 p.m. So it opened at 7 p.m, closed as 8 p.m. And all I simply did was go down to 15 minutes to identify if I had some sort of break of structure. Now we can see, obviously we did have a break of structure. You can see this is like high, 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 low, high, boom. There is an aggressive break of structure to the downside somewhere around here. We can see where structure broke from. Okay, so 15 minutes is now pushing to the downside, and we can see this candle opened at 7:30, closed at 7:45. This bullish candle to the upside opened at 7:45, closed as 8, which is dope, which was exactly what I wanted. And what I did was I actually took my trade from here, okay, for a 30 pip stops. I think I took my trade from 79.05, but you can see on this price is 79.10, but I took my trade from my broker 79.05, and my take profit was at 76. My take profit was at 79.96. So why I did set my take profit for 79.96 is because we can see price actually came down here again to fulfill this level, right? And this level you can see 78.98. So but my broker is 78.96, hence my take profit was set at 79.96, somewhere around here. Yes, And I took the trade yesterday night and I left it. It ran all the way to this morning. Take profit got hit. All praise to the Most High, and we bagged some money, basically. Yeah. So that was my thought process behind taking this trade. My network is beginning to lag again. I don't like this stuff. Okay, so that was my thought process basically behind taking this trade. And if you guys don't understand it, simply go back and watch the videos. You see all the videos that I'm putting out basically have the same step-by-step process behind it, right? And yeah, so that was basically what I did and how I did it to take this trade. And right now I'm also looking at price to come to somewhere around here again, to reject to the upside for a buy. If I do get price come to this level and I get my entry criteria, obviously I'm going to be taking the trade. And if price doesn't hold here, right, if the market doesn't hold here, then this would be my plan B, obviously. So with all of that being said, I hope you did gain some sort of value. If you did, do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also like this video. Yeah, I think I said that before. Now, without wasting any other time, or with all of that being said, we've come to the end of today's video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Be well, be safe, and I'm out.